Introducing new trend of waterproofing base coating. BondSeal Coat MS-100. On rainy days, concrete or slabs commonly leak due to insufficient waterproofing measures, as well as the presence of cracks, joints, or holes. BondSeal MS-100 can be directly applied to cracked surfaces to seal joints and void area using the pouring method to fill gaps. The BondSeal coating forms a hydrophobic layer that repels water. The second coat of BondSeal can be applied after 2 hours, once the first layer is dry. BondSeal coating develops a viscoelastic texture, enhancing both durability and flexibility. BondSeal MS-100 can be applied using a roller, brush, or steel trowel. Can be direct apply on masonry surfaces, example, concrete, cement plaster, wood, steel, and roof tiles. The adhesion of BondSeal is achieved using MS Polymer, a modified silane-terminated polymer commonly used in cast-on structure sealants. It offers protection against extreme weather, both cold and hot, and provides a double-layer lasting effect for extended durability. It's contained 4 main polymers that are adhesion properties, hydrophobic, viscoelastic, and double-layer weatherproof. BondSeal Coat MS-100 can be used as a skim coat to cover wall crack lines. It can also be applied as a paint-like finishing to cover wall fungus and prevent water seepage. Suitable for internal, external, car porch roof slab, balcony area, and many other areas.